Hello, dear viewers. Today, we are excited to introduce you to the cutest and most playful stars of nature, cute animal babies. Are you ready to explore these adorable little miracles that will steal your hearts with their charm and antics? The tale of panda cubs, our first stop, is the symbol of black and white cuteness, panda cubs. Watching them skillfully play and munch on giant bamboo leaves is impossible without a smile. Let's dive into this fairy tale together. The magical world of baby elephants. Our next stars are baby elephants with their big ears and curious eyes. The little giants with their enormous hearts and playful interactions with their mothers. Dancing lightly on the dusty grounds will enchant you. Come on. Let's wander a bit more in this mag. The Cuteness Festival of Puppy Dogs. And now, the world's most loyal companions, puppy dogs. These little friends who never tire of playing, and wagging their tails will fill your heart with warmth. Their cuteness will make you laugh and bring joy. Come, take your place in this festival. Behind every baby, there is a story. In this section, we will explore the contributions of these tiny miracles to nature and the animal world, their conservation efforts, and the cute memories spent with them. The grand dance of little penguins. Now, it is time for the enchanting dance of little penguins in the icy oceans, these adorable chicks, walking cheerfully with their tiny feet and sliding on their bellies. Present to you the magical world of cold waters. Come, join our icy adventure. Sleepy days of koala babies. Our next little guests are the adorable icons of Australia, koala babies. Swinging in the big trees and blissfully napping on their mothers' backs. The world of these cubs will leave you in tranquility. How about spending a sleepy day with them? Bounding happiness of bunny babies. And now, the joyous hopping of bunny babies across the meadows. With their soft ears, nimble feet, and cute noses, they bring the energy of spring to you. Welcome to this festival of cuteness. Are you ready? It's time to dive into the magical world of tiny champions of the animal kingdom. Don't forget to subscribe and like our video, as you wouldn't want to miss this adorable spectacle.